Hello all, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how to delete your Patreon account. Actually, it is very easy process, but the catch is it takes up to 30 days to erase your account. So let's start. First, you need to go to the Patreon account. After that, go to the logo badge at the bottom left. You have to click on the three dots besides that. Go to the privacy policy. Then they will take you to this window. You have to go to make privacy request. You will see two of the options. You have to choose erase. From here, you have to press allow, which gives them permission. As you can see, they are saying that for security reasons, we have wait period on data erasure. We will give you the opportunity to cancel this erasure request for 14 days. So now quickly confirm request. Request is submitted successfully. You can also track your request from the active requests, and even if you want to cancel the request, you can do that from here. So thank you for attending. Please like, share, subscribe.